Honey, you're having twins.
Make it stop. Sounds so good, I just can't sing. I don't know. I don't know. No. But don't stop. Don't move. Just keep it right there.
Today is going to be Vlogmas day 2, and it's going to be 3 crafts that we're going to do. We're going to be doing handprint or footprint mistletoes. We're going to make our handprint ornaments. They each have one, then me and her have one, and then we're going to do it in these colors, and then we're going to fill it with glitter, and then we're going to make reindeer handprint and foot sleighs on the construction paper, and then we're going to do these. And these 3 are ones that we have to do with them, and this is something they can do by themselves. And they'll each just do one of these today, and I have their glue. It's non-toxic, and those are the crafts that we will be doing today. Give me your hand. Ready? Oh, don't do that. Open. Gonna do a little more. Don't touch. Don't touch. Say don't touch. Please don't touch. I know. Okay, open. Okay, ready? Are you ready? Hold this. Are you ready? Open your hand. Now close it.
Hold the ball. Good job.
Good job. Don't move. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
How did that happen?
I don't know. Okay. You want to get me one of the extra ones? We're gonna try it one more time. Okay, don't move.
Wait, do that one.
No, that's Mason's. There's only 2.
But we don't have any more sprinkles.
Open your hand. That's what I'm saying. Don't move. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
There you go.
You wanna go wash your hand? Okay. Go to the bathroom. Go wash your hands. No. You go up here, okay?
Morning. How can I help you?
Blue.
Ah, yes. The Ding Dong 3000. It's Mr. Macabre.
Oh, it's not very loud, is it?
Hold on.
But the tone is as sweet as a bee buzzing in a field of honey. No, that's not right, is it?
Watch him not mess up his.
Okay, open your hand. Open. Now don't move. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job.
One for me.
Good job. Okay. Show Daddy your hand.
Hi.
You want me to get you a wipe? Okay. I got it. Okay. This is how Mason's turned out.
You special child.
His feet.
Wait.
Yeah. Those are his feet, his left and his right.
Yeah.
And they turned out okay. He just woke up. So it didn't go as well as I thought it was going to. Don't have too much on his left. Boo! Look, May May sing boo. Where's May May? Where's May May? Boo! Where's Mason? Where'd he go? I can't find him anywhere. Oh no! I'm sad. Boo! Where'd Mason go? Mason,
Okay.
where are you? You want to take it off? Okay. We're going to take it off. We're going to go wash it. Okay, ready? Put your foot down. 1, 2. Okay. Up. Good job. Boom. And this is how, this is how Isaiah's turned out. It's turned out better. You going poop? Mason's going poop. But they turned out good, and I will show you the finished product in a minute. Like this. You can already stick this on here. Put it on the plate. Put it on. Where do you want it? You want it here? Okay, put it down. All this trash. Put his nose. Where's his nose go? Uh-oh. You have to turn it over. Good job. Do you want help? Where do you want his nose? You want it right here? Okay. What about...
It's very interesting.
You're doing a
Dear.
good job.
Hey man, what are you doing?
Where do you want this? You know where this goes? It goes up here. It goes right here. Okay, put it down. Right here. No, that's where his eyes go, his mouth. Put it right here. Right here. You want his mouth there? You don't want it right here? So this is how Mason's reindeer face turned out.
It is a reindeer because
It was supposed to look something like this. And he wanted his to look like this. But I think it's rather cute. And he was very happy about it. And the only part I helped him with was the mouth and the nose. And this one. But he did the rest. Isaiah doesn't want to do his because he's being a grumpy butt. But I will record
Not
that
yet,
when
Mason.
he wants to.
Mason, hold on.
You ready?
Right?
Here. Where does this one go? It goes right here. Right? Oh, you want it there? Okay. I'm gonna do this one. Where do you want this one? You don't want it? Do you want me to do it? Okay, where do you want it? You want it there? Okay, what about his nose? Where do you want his nose? Uh-oh, good job. Show me, right there? Okay. What about his ears? This is his ear. Yeah. Where do you want his ear? I can't find the eyes. What about his other ear? He's missing these ones.
Oh, he did it the wrong way. Flip it over. Turn it around.
Where do you want it? Right here? Okay, what about these? Where do you want those? Where do you want me to put this? Here? No. Here? You want to take that out? Okay. Here you go. But you have to put them on. Isaiah decided he wanted me to help him with his. So that's what I'm doing. And we're missing his eyes. But that's how his turned out because he redid it 3 times. Because he likes to play with the Christmas tree more. But I can't find his eyes. But I'm going to go look for that and then I'll show you. So this is how they turned out. This is Mason's. And this is Isaiah's. Isaiah redid his 3 times and then he took them all off and told me he wanted me to help him. So his looks somewhat decent, and then Mason's is all just him. They turned out really cute. They're just these brown plates. And yeah. They're watching TV right now and eating hot dog. And dancing. I still have to add the yellow polka dots. But this one is Mason's. Because he looks like he has claws because he dug his nails in and then dragged them. And this one's Isaiah's.